Hello po, Richard Panuelos po of the Panuelos Real Estate Group. I-showcase ko lang po itong bahay na nabili namin recently sa bayan po ng Blackfalds, Alberta. Maraming salamat, Arabejo family, at pinagkatiwala mo sa amin ang pagbili nitong bahay na to. If ever man na meron pa kayong katanungan in the future, feel free to contact us anytime. Ngayon po, pag-usapan po natin yung pagbenta ng bahay. If you are wondering kung okay ba magbenta ng bahay ngayon, presyo ng bahay po ngayon is mataas. If you wanna get the top dollar for your house, pag binenta nyo siya, now is the best time. If ever man na nagpaplano kayong magbenta ng bahay, ano-ano ho ba ang kailangan natin gawin? First step is to start decluttering your house. Yung mga gamit na hindi naman masyadong kailangan sa bahay, start putting them in a box. The reason why I'm telling you this is we want to make sure po na yung bahay na ibibenta natin is maluwag tingnan. Number 2, start cleaning your house. Yung mga exhaust fan sa washroom, pa-carpet cleaning na po kayo or magpa-furnace cleaning, mga ganyan. So malaking bagay din po ito kapag nailis na po sa market yung bahay ninyo, malinis tingnan, mas presentable po. Number 3 is kami po bilang realtor ninyo is maggagawa po kami ng comparative market analysis. Ibig sabihin po nito is to determine kung magkano po ang market value ng bahay ninyo. So how can we do that? By looking at the last 90 days that was sold in your area na kasing tulad po ng bahay ninyo. Kung 3 bedrooms po ang bahay ninyo at single detached, then we will find that. Kapag nalaman na po natin kung magkano po ang value ng bahay ninyo, then we're able to compute kung magkano po ang mabubulsa ninyo kapag nabenta na ang bahay ninyo. So, market value minus balance ng mortgage, minus realtor fees, minus mortgage penalty kung meron man, and then minus lawyer's fee. Yung matira po, yun po ang mabubulsa ninyong amount. Syempre, bago mo ilist yung bahay, you wanna make sure na alam mo kung magkano ang mabubulsa mo bago mo siya i-list sa market. Okay? Number 4 is kapag okay na po lahat at nalaman nyo na yung numbers, then that's the time we will send a photographer. Yung photographer na yun is magme-measure din po ng space ng bahay ninyo. So that's why it's really important na kailangan po na nakadeclutter yung bahay para po presentable. Pag dumating po yung photographer na ipapadala namin, malinis po siyang tingnan. Kapag pinicturan, mas maganda po ang kakalabasan. Tapos kapag dumating na po sa amin yung copy ng photos and yung measurement, then that's the time we will start listing it sa MLS listing. And then the following day, makikita nyo na po active yung listing ng bahay ninyo. Dito na po mag-i-start yung pagbubuk ng mga viewings. We will notify you hours before bago dumating yung mga potential buyers. They wanna see the house. We wanna make sure na presentable po yung bahay kapag nag-visit sila. Kapag nagustuhan nila yung bahay at they wanna make an offer, they will do so, and then that's the time I will present the offer to you. I'm gonna need to give you advice kung okay ba yung offer or hindi. And kung ano yung mga kailangan mong malaman bilang realtor ninyo, I will support you. Make sure na mabenta po natin ng mas malaki yung bahay ninyo. Okay? May mga times po na kailangan ko po mag-open house. Siyempre, we wanna expose it as much as possible, not just online, but sa community rin po. We will do everything in our power to sell your house right away and at the top dollar. So, ayan po. Ito po ang mga steps na gagawin kapag magbebenta po kayo ng bahay. If ever po na meron kayong katanungan or you wanna merely wants to know kung magkano pwedeng ibenta yung bahay ninyo at magkano mabubulsa ninyo, you don't have to engage. Just ask the question and then I'll walk you through and then I'll do the computation with you. At least magkaroon lang man lang kayo ng idea based sa market po today kung magkano po ang mabubulsa ninyo kapag binenta nyo yung bahay. You don't have to sell it. You just want to know. We're here to help. So, ayan po. Hopefully, nakatulong po itong video na ito. Again, Richard Panuelos po of the Panuelos Real Estate Group. Kung meron pa po kayong katanungan, please do not hesitate to contact us. Nandito lang po kami. Handang tumulong, handang sumagot. Maraming salamat po. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi.